So, good morning, student. In today's lecture of computer graphics, we will discuss the topic. We will elaborate the three-dimension transformation. The first one we discussed the translation, then rotation, and after scaling, the next 3D transformation is the reflection. This is similar to the two-dimension transformation, but with on the three coordinate plane x, y, and z, the representation is little bit different because the z coordinate is added. So reflection is also about an axis that is equivalent to 180-degree rotation about that axis. So reflection in computer science or the computer graphics is used to emulate the reflective object like mirrors and the shiny surfaces. So, reflection may be an x axis, on y axis, z axis, and also in the planes like xy plane, yz plane के अकॉर्डिंग रिफ्लेक्शन करनी है एंड जेड एक्स प्लेन के अकॉर्डिंग. सो रिफ्लेक्शन to any given axis are equivalent to 180-degree rotation. Reflection is opposite. So in if we talk about the example of a mirror, we are standing in front of the mirror, then the main reflection is about 180-degree rotation. So our left hand side is the right hand side on the opposite side, so that is the mirror reflection. So this is also the example. This moon and the, if we talk about the moon and the flowers original in the water, they are seen on the bottom side. So there is 180-degree rotation about any object when we are talking about the reflection. So the reflection, if we talk about the x-axis, if we, this is the x-axis, the reflection is the opposite, on the negative edge आ जाएगा. तो x डैश इक्वल्स टू x अबाउट द x एक्सिस जब रोटेशन करेंगे, देन x रिमेन्स द पॉजिटिव बट y एंड z becomes negative. So the matrix representation is 1 -1 -1 and -1, others are 0. In diagonal form, y and z coordinates are negative. So reflection about the y-axis means y remains the positive, x and z are negative. Clear? This is the about the y-axis, reflection about the y-axis. y-axis के अकॉर्डिंग हमने रिफ्लेक्ट किया है. अगर हम बात करें कि मैट्रिक्स रिप्रेजेंटेशन y-axis के लिए कैसी होगी, फिर जो y होगा वो पॉजिटिव होगा, बाकी नेगेटिव. एंड लास्ट फोर्थ वन किसके लिए? होमोजीनियस कोऑर्डिनेट के लिए, फॉर ईजियर मल्टीप्लिकेशन फॉर द रोटेशन, स्केलिंग एंड द रिफ्लेक्शन. So reflection about z axis, z remains the positive, x and y are negative. So x और y के लिए negative, बाकी दोनों positive. So this is the reflection according to the about the z axis. So next is the shearing. Shearing means a transformation that distorts the shape of an object such that the transformed shape appears as if the object were composed of internal layers that have been caused to slide over each other is called the shearing process. So if we are talking about this representation, this transformation is relative to the x and y axis to produce a distortion in the shapes of an object. So we can generate the shades relative to the any of the axis. If we're talking about the z axis, then this object is moved towards on this side. So distortions are given, are applied on the shapes of any object about the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. This concept is also elaborate and explained in briefly in case of the two-dimension transformation. The concept is same, what coordinate is added. So to modify this object, any object useful for perspective projections, shading is to be used. For example, we draw a cube on a screen. To draw a three-dimension cube on a two-dimension screen, then shading process is also used. So in three-dimension plane, this cube is represented like this. If you want this cube on a two-dimension plane, x and y plane, then the representation is like this. So converting or transforming this three-dimension cube from three-dimension plane to 2D screen, the representation is like this. This is the shearing process. Or after the values for x, y, and z by an amount of proportional to the distance from z, ref reference, z reference. So if you are talking about the shearing about the xy plane, then the matrix is like 1 0 0 0, diagonal में 1 1 1, and third row a b. If we are talking about the xy plane, xy axis, then the z values are a b 1 and 0. So the parameters of a and b can be assigned any real value हो सकती है. The effect of this transformation matrix is to alter the x and y coordinate values by the amount of that is proportional to the z value, while leaving the z coordinate unchanged. So the boundaries of the plane that are perpendicular to the z axis are thus shifted by an amount proportional to z. So if we are talking about any example that will affect the shearing matrix on a unit cube is like this. So for shearing, the values a and b is equal to 1, and shearing matrix for the x and y axis are defined similarly. So in that space, if we are talking about the shearing transformation about the xy plane, this is represented by 1 0 0 in the diagonal form 1 1. On the z it becomes 0 and sx comma sy. If we are talking about xz plane, then it is represented like this. So xz की बात हुई है, then 1 0 0 0 zx sx 1 z sz 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 1. On the yz plane it is represented like this. The diagonal all are 1, and in the first row sy and sz are included. So we are dividing the shearing transformation according to the directions of the surface xy, yz, and xz. So the values of sx, sy, and sz determine the shearing transformation sizes for all the directions.